Hello world, this is RandomFix. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and start your vehicle in case you're getting a weird message on the dash here, like no keys detected. And this is going to be very easy, and the best part is you don't need any tools, so definitely stay tuned. Hello world, this might happen to you very soon. You may get in your car and go to start it, and the first couple of times you may get a notice on your dash that the battery on your key fob is very low, and you may ignore it, and eventually what will happen is that simple warning will go from a low battery to key not detected. So you probably have somewhere to be and you might be stuck watching this video. So I'm going to show you guys how you can simply get your car started back on, and the best part is you don't need any tools, so definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the trick. So this is the key for this particular vehicle, and when you buy these cards you get a couple of them, and they tried a bunch of different tricks to go ahead and have you go and pay lots of money for key fobs. BMW was charging the key fob as actually was driving on some of the earlier vehicles, and they made them sealed. But as you guys know, most of these batteries on these newer remotes are changeable. I'll have a link to a video below on how you can go ahead and change this. But if you're stuck and you are getting that no key detected message on the dash here, what you want to do is you want to grab your key, just like I have in my hand here, and grab it, put the key right next to the power button here, put your foot on the brake, and go ahead and use the key to push down on the power button, and what will happen is your car will be able to start. We still get that low battery message there, so you definitely want to change that out, but now you can at least drive to where you need to get to. And you do want to get this changed out right away, because it may buy you 1 to 2 starts, but it's not going to work forever. But if you are stuck somewhere, you definitely can use this trick to get your car started. And this can also happen too if your car experiences a lot of radio interference, and you would do the same exact trick here. You would grab the key and put it next to the actual button here and push start. And I have seen this happen on BMWs as well, and what they'll do is they'll actually put a symbol that looks like a key right here, and in that situation you want to put the key fob right on that symbol and then hit the power button. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful and you are able to get to where you need to be. And I appreciate you guys watching. Please leave your comments and questions below. Have a fantastic day. Thanks.